I just want to use this opportunity to congratulate and thank our people, all of us who are here gathered today, for the support we received from you during the visit of the President. I want to thank those who really supported and cooperated for that visit to be successful, and also thank God to those who tried to sabotage the visit through their actions or inactions. I want Almighty God to bless all of us and to continue to give us the opportunity to check our consciences and do that which is best for Imo people. I would also want to speak through this medium on the issue of sit-at-home order. This sit-at-home order, an order that is given by people who didn't see or who have not seen. I want to call all of you to ignore that rumor of anybody sitting at home and come out to do your businesses. The truth of the matter, we have identified 5 Imo citizens who are behind this plot. And they have been funding this plot. They have been funding banditry in Imo State. And by the grace of God, any moment from now, we will arraign all of them, no matter how big they are, before the appropriate court. Therefore, ignore whatever sit-at-home order anybody is issuing to you. Come out to do your businesses. And I want to also use this opportunity to advise the petroleum marketers in the state that my government will not sit back and allow them create artificial scarcity and be selling fuel through black market in the night. Henceforth, any filling station selling black market, no matter the owner, will be sealed up. And such company will be blacklisted from doing business in Nigeria anymore, anywhere in Nigeria. So if you are one of them, or you know any of them, or you are part of them, advise those people, if you are closing your filling station, for whatever reason, you don't want to sell, don't sell at all. We will not allow you to charge innocent citizens 300 naira a liter in the night by way of black market. We are not going to allow it. By tomorrow morning, I'll set up a task force that will go around, not only see the station, arrest whoever that is there to come and stand their charge. Because this government is not complacent. Because we are kind and humorous, because we have the interest of the people at heart, people should not take undue advantage of that. We are not going to allow that. So we have enough security in Imo State. You must have heard how those who escaped from the prison custody are back to their business of kidnapping. We've risen to the occasion, and I can assure you it will soon be a thing of the past. I'm not ignorant of so many happenings in the state. If you see where I'm standing, it's higher than where you are sitting. So I'm seeing everything. I'm not God, but God gave me the opportunity to see very far because I'm standing on a higher ground. So I want to advise all of us, both my friends. I know my friends. I know those who are really my friends. Those who believe in my thinking. Those who know and understand what we have come to do. I didn't come here to stay here forever. I have come here to do things I'll be remembered for. I didn't come here to take whatever that belongs to government and share to very few people. All I charge anybody, if you see where Hope Uzodimma has taken anything that belongs to the people of Imo State or government, raise the alarm. Let other people see. But if you want to work with me, you must work with me, hoping and believing on your legitimate earnings. Anything that is legitimately due to you under my watch must be given to you. But that which I didn't do for myself, if you want me to do it for you, particularly when that is not right, then you are expecting the impossible. For the period I will be here as governor, I will do that which I promised my God that I will do. And simple. That is all. When the next election comes, if for doing the right thing you vote me out, I'll go home a happy man. So please, I beg you, there is no need pretending or coming in my front, projecting eye service. Hypocrisy is very bad. Mediocrity is even worse. Let us do that which we are convinced that is right and which will impact on the people, which is also consistent with the oath of office we took. We still have good people in this state. And God will bring out good people who will work for the good and betterment of our people. That does not mean that if you don't believe in that, you are no longer my friend. You will still be my friend, but I will not allow you to do that which is not consistent with our principles. God will guide all of us. We must change the narrative. We have suffered as a people. You can see, with the limited resources we have, how we have, even my close aides, those who are angry that their interest has been reduced, or even sometimes they don't get the interest. It's the exigencies of the time. That is what the call for duty has for us. Opportunity cost must always be there. We forgot some, we do some. And in that manner, we'll continue to go around. What is important is what we are doing, are we doing it for good or are we doing it for bad? Everything is not politics. If you drag politics into our school system, you are punishing the state. If you drag politics into our health system, you are punishing the state. There are certain basic principles we must not compromise in the name of politics. Because we need to rescue the state. And we cannot achieve it without your genuine cooperation and support. So think twice, my brothers and sisters. God will help all of us. Thank you.